orals. There's using the sunscreen every day, and there is hope.
Man, Amber Cogliano, she is one brave woman.
She is. Good for her.
I love her. Yeah, she's willing to go out there and get things done. Now, joining us now to help clear up all of these skin issues is board-certified dermatologist Dr. Eric Schweiger. Thank you for joining us on the couch today.
Thank you.
And now, I had a question because I was a bit surprised. I was always told as a child to stay away from fried, greasy foods, but as Dr. Janine Downey told us, it really doesn't have anything to do with the foods that you consume. Is that true?
Yeah, you probably aren't what you eat. So studies have looked at this over time, and most have said that diet and food is not related.
Okay.
Diet and food not related to acne. Yeah.
So what's the difference between what's the source for teen acne versus adult acne?
The source is similar for both acnes. It's probably a bacteria that lives on your skin called P. acne, which gets in sebum and clogs the pores and causes an inflammatory reaction. The difference between adult acne and teenage acne is how you treat it, because adults often have dry skin, so you have to pick medicines that don't over dry them.
Okay.
Now, we saw Annie undergo chemical peel, but you focus more on light treatments, laser treatments. What are the pros and cons of each?
So chemical peels are good for very superficial, what we call blackheads and whiteheads, and laser lights are better for inflammatory acne, so that's like the red, painful bumps. We also find laser and lights are more long-lasting, so a chemical peel will give you a 1 to 2 week benefit, but a laser or light might give you months and even years of potential benefit.
But what are we talking in terms of price? Is there a big difference on either side?
So there is. Peels can be in the hundreds, 1 or 200, and the laser light treatments can range from 300 to 600 per treatment.
Now, I have a question because I have fairly olive skin. Is there a difference in treatments for different ethnicities?
So there is. Well, the treatments are the same with our laser light treatments. We just have to adjust the setting. So darker skin patients are a little more sensitive to these treatments, so we often have to tone down the settings and go a little less harsh to miss the side effects.
I'm far too cheap for any of these high-dollar treatments. What about over-the-counter stuff? What do you like?
So for over-the-counter, benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid are good options, but it's even better to see your dermatologist. They can give you medicines that are prescription and that are actually stronger than those medicines and more effective.
Wow.
And pick your battles, not your pimples.
Yeah, we tell our patients don't do bathroom surgery. So that's when they take a needle or they pick their face at home. Instead, you want to go to the dermatologist. We actually can inject cortisone. We can do an in-office light treatment the same day that will decrease the acne. So you don't want to fight it by yourself. You really want to fight it in partner with the dermatologist.
Although it is very tempting.
I know.
Oh, I know.
It's like Animal House.
I've had one of those done before. I had a big event, had to get a, pimple shot of cortisone.
Yeah.
Save the day. So Dr. Eric Schweiger, thank you for joining us today. And thank you for sharing your expertise on adult acne with us.
Well, thank you for having me.
All right, now we do have the information posted on our website, so you can meet us there. It's cbsnewyork.com/thecouch.
And we're all complaining about it, too. So
Well,
this is good
no.
info.
Yes.
So now to hear from you. It's our cue from the couch time. It's our way of getting to know you a little bit, so weigh in. Today, here's what we're asking. What is your greatest fear? Is it adult acne? Visit our Facebook page, facebook.com/WLNYTV, and follow us on Twitter. All the kids are at WLNYTV. To answer it later in the show, we'll share some of your answers. But right now, what is Tom Cruise up to following his whirlwind divorce settlement? The latest details.
Making more money, maybe.
And dangerous duds. You might be surprised what hazards lurk in your closet as you get ready this morning.
And it's All-American Pet Photo Day today. Here are more pets belonging to our couch family.
So cute.
Gizmo and Coco.
Adorable.
Gorgeous.
Oh, look at that little
Goldie.
cutie.